Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm 𝚜𝚞𝚛𝚛𝚎. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step how to install mini twists with extensions from HotBraids. HotBraids sent me 5 packs of afro kinky bulk human hair. The direct link to this hair will be in my description. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. At first the hair is shrunken and compressed. This hair is easy to manage when wet, so I start off by spraying it with water. Once the hair is damp, I then hold the hair at the top and begin to pull loose hair out, and then add it to the top and continue doing that method until there is no longer any loose hair. To start off the mini twist, I began to braid and then add one piece of hair in as I were doing a knotless braid. Once the hair is added in, I began to braid down and then I 2-strand twist all the way down. I did this method all around my head. with my head, I start adding in another strand of hair towards the end for length. When adding more hair, I place the hair in the same position as the 2-strand twist and rub them together so that extra hair won't slide down, and continue to twist all the way down. My mini twist, it is time to seal ends. I start off by spraying the ends with water, then combing them out. I didn't show in the video, but I add gel to the ends for a more natural curly look. Then I go in and shingle every single twist. To set my hair, I just use the Nairobi mousse. Here's the finished look. Thank you HotBraids for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you start your mini twist.